Hello guys, this is Josie from Mandalas for Fun. I am here in Santa Teresa, Costa Rica on a family trip, but I am taking advantage of this timing to go into the beach and find some stones for mandala painting. And I just want to share with you the elements and characteristics I consider when I am going to choose the best stone for mandala painting. So shall we have a walk together? But before we go on a walk to find that rock we want to paint a beautiful mandala, I must tell you about three things that I consider. First is the surface and the texture of the stone. Second, the shape. And third, the size. Why is that? Because the texture, it has to be smooth on top, or if it has small holes, we can be able to have the stone treated somehow, applying some layers of painting and varnish to make it as smooth as possible. This is pretty important because it's going to impact in the end result of the painting. Second of all, it's about, I said shape, because we want this stone to be as rounded as possible. But if we don't find like super rounded stone, we can be creative, right? But ideally, especially if you want to go commercial on your painting, it would be good to have a stone that is as rounded as possible. Third thing to consider is the size. If you're just gonna paint, starting painting, it kind of doesn't matter much what size of stone you find. But if you want to go commercial, this is really important to consider. It's one of the characteristics that it's really important, because especially if you ship worldwide, that can impact on the price of the shipping costs. So I think I've told you a little bit about the theory. These characteristics in a nutshell, don't forget, it's surface and texture, it's the shape and the size. So now it's time to go for a walk and find our perfect stone for painting. So here I am picking up some stones. This is kind of the ideal texture. See? It's really smooth. Size is okay, but it's not rounded. So let's give it an opportunity to another stone. I'm gonna leave this one just like this. And then, for example, the texture, see, this is shape not good. It's not that smooth. It's not rounded. So let's give it a shot to another stone. Look at this. What is this? This is nice. Not big shape. It's smooth. It's not 100% rounded, but it's good. Oh, look at this one. Isn't too bad. It's like oval shaped, but the texture is good, and ideally, depending on the work you want to do, this is perfect. This is pretty perfect to me. It's pretty good. So we've got two stones. Okay, let me go for some more. Look at this. I was happy, but this is broken. So let's see other stones. Wow, look at this. This is a good one too. So I'm gonna take it with me. It's got some holes here, but I think we still could paint on it. Sometimes we have like hidden rocks like this. This is good one too. Wow, I'm getting lucky today. Yesterday I went for a walk and I didn't find that many beautiful stones. See, for example, just imagine a shipping on this big size rock. It doesn't make a sense. This one, for example, is not rounded, doesn't have shape. Size is not that bad, but it doesn't have 2 out of the 3 characteristics we're considering. But what about this lady? This isn't too bad, but it's got this small, it's broken here. It's not that good, so we better be walking for another one. Let's see, for example, this one isn't too big, but it's not that rounded, so let's keep walking. I found this one. It's oval shaped. I think it's nice, but it's broken here, so I'm gonna have to disregard that one. And then I think I found something else here. It's not that rounded, but it's got beautiful shape, so I'm gonna keep it. It's a keeper too. So we got lucky today. Maybe some extra tips. Take an eco bag with you because plastic is contaminating the planet. Put on some sunscreen because it's really hot and your skin can get burnt, extra burnt, and some water with you. These are the ladies we found, and I hope you enjoyed this tip, and see you on the next one. Bye.